say, man, CJ on 32s, man. I seen this, and I thought of MJ. So I got this to always remind me of CJ on 32s, a YouTuber. And it's a remote control car, 110 scale. I've been wanting remote control cars, and y'all tell me, is that bad or what? You go every direction, and you'll never believe where I got this from. Got this from Dillard's. He got the full function direction. He got the controller. Yeah. Go, y'all Google this, check it out. We're gonna take a picture of it so we'll know what we got. Big body. So let's put this up, just in case y'all forgot what I don't know if y'all know this or not. We're just gonna throw this in here. Yeah, we're gonna throw that in there for right now. We got so much stuff. Boxes of comics. All type of shoes, dead stock. Astros jacket. Y'all know how much the Astros jacket worth. Y'all know. We got all kinds of patches on it. And then I'm gonna add some world champ patches. Then I got the Kobe's, R.I.P. Kobe. I got all them shoes right there, dead stock. Quit playing with YK, man. So with that being said, I'm out. Cut the camera. I love y'all, man. Comic book collection coming up. I got the dead presidents. Yeah. So with that being said, I'm out. Cut the camera, man. Y'all see that box. Exclusives. Cut the camera.